With us to discuss the outlook for nat gas and energy demand is Amrita Sen, Energy Aspects Director of Research. Amrita, you want to talk? We can talk around here. We can talk. We were over in Europe where we thought it was going to be a mild Davos for us, and it turned out it was very cold. But Europe seems to have dodged a bullet.
Yeah, I mean, look, I think it has been, I would say in Europe, we've been very lucky. We did have high stock levels to get into the year, and then the warm weather has really, really helped. But again, that doesn't mean that prices can kind of remain at very low levels, because now one of the things at these price levels is we are encouraging industrial demand to come back, right? Sure, maybe this winter we can get through just about, but let's not forget next winter could still be a real challenge if we fail to build inventory. So I would say we shouldn't get too complacent about prices, and we strongly believe that in Europe at least, natural gas prices shouldn't be much below 70 euros per megawatt hours.
What talk about this country? Now are we gonna use electric stoves from here on, Amrita? Does that make any sense in any world? And what will happen to the great chefs?
Electric stoves, I mean, look, I think ultimately the question is whether we're going to use electric stoves or not, is whether it's gas-powered or coal-powered or, renewables. And I mean, that was obviously the focus at Davos, right? And oil and gas companies do continue to come under scrutiny. But I keep going back to the fact that we need all forms of energy to meet global economic demand growth. That needs to be clean, for sure, but we can also produce oil and gas in a clean way. So decarbonizing hydrocarbons should be the focus, rather than just saying we're not going to have hydrocarbons at all, right? One of the biggest challenges we continue to face, and I just got back from Asia this morning, I mean, demand growth there is enormous. Let's not forget China is just reopening. Energy demand is going to go up, and for Asia, price absolutely matters. Even more so than pollution in that sense, because for them it's about economic growth. So we can't have clean energy at the cost of economic growth. And I think that's the biggest challenge we need to face up to and balance that.
What do you expect to see in terms of, we've heard that China, if they get back to full strength by the end of this year, where will crude be at that point, Amrita?
I mean, look, we're already starting to see China come back to the market. We are expecting Chinese crude demand to grow by 1 million barrels per day. That's going to be the strongest year-on-year increase in at least 20 years. Jet demand is going to pretty much recover almost back to 2019 levels. And then, of course, that's going to have a global implication, because you're going to have flights both ways. I mean, we maintain, and we have maintained, that crude's going to average above $100 this year. I think there's a lot of upside to that number, depending on the path China takes, because I will also reiterate that it's not just China, it's the multiplier in the region. Every single country in the region is so dependent on China, whether it be for tourism or trade. I think that's the bit markets are underestimating, that they still remain focused on the Fed and rising interest rates, and rightly so. But I do think this is going to be a very, very strong Asian demand story.